Good morning, this is Oz ADV Rider out on an absolutely beautiful morning. It's a bit chilly, but we're looking at a top of 30 today. On my way to Daylesford to try and find some more mines. Yeah, we may as well take the hill. See what, they look steeper from the top when you're going down. Tipperary Springs picnic area, Hepburn Regional Park. So there's spring water there, that's what old mate's over there doing, filling up paper water bottles, toilets and walking tracks. But there is also another track through here, seasonal road closure track. What does that say? The other end, yeah, seasonal road closure. So we're right to go. Cool. I'm heading to a spot Andy and I went to a few weeks back, Boots Gully Road it's called. There was a few old mines there. Might just have a little bit more of a look around there. Yeah, that's a pretty cool track out of the picnic area. First bit's pretty tricky, but it smooths out nicely. I was following Humbug Road, nice wide open gravel road, and then it turned into this. So it looks like I've lost a horn off my bike again. That's the second one. The last one broke the bracket off the radiator itself. This one's just snapped off the horn. I went to use it the other day, nothing there, had a look, I found the wires, no horn. So I guess vibrations, they just snap. It was a very cheap one. What do we got here? I'm still on, aren't I? So I think I'm going straight over there. Humbug Road. Boats Road. Which one am I turning on map? Oh, nice. Now, if I can zoom in, so that is Keep It Dark Gully. Yeah, cool. It's the fan. It's the fan making that noise. Alright, we'll go for a bit of a wander, have a look around. Looks like something's being dragged down here. Oh shit, that's a pit there. Oh, it's kangaroo up in here. Be rustling in the bushes. Kangaroo over there. So last time I was here I could see the remains of a old trestle bridge over here. There's even a bloody footing there. Yeah, cool, look at that. So we had a trestle, oh, you can go, it goes right over the other side. You can see tin, logs. That part of the gully down there, there's like timber frames up the sides of it. Look at that. She's tipping over, you can see the bolts through it. That one actually looks like a newer footing. There's an old one over there. You can see all the framework. It's all fallen down obviously. It was right through. Yeah, last time I was here I walked down there and I could see bits of it. I thought it was just a bridge at first. And I realised it was a trestle going right through here. You can see tin all the way up the other side. There's the footing. There's one here. There's tin everywhere, rusted out. Look at that. Okay, that's not just your average corrugated iron, is it? Pretty thick. These are some pretty serious studs. Yeah, let's get moving, starting to warm up now. This old wagon. I think that's Mount Franklin up there. I'm supposed to be turning just here somewhere. They're just there? Yep, just there. No, yep, no, I don't know. Yeah, showing turning just here. I did see a track. I don't know, we'll go and have a look. Doesn't look well used, that's for sure. Private property there, yep. How steep we're going to get. Now we're going to the left. Yeah, cool. What the hell? Look at that! Whoa! We get over this side. Now how the hell am I going to turn around? I've arrived. So this is supposedly... Fuck. Look at this chimney up there. Now it doesn't say where I am. So former slate quarry, that's what that is, I would imagine. I'm right across from it. If I can get past that anyway. So I can see a timber framework in there, it looks dodgy as hell. Looks like it's ready to collapse any second. Yeah, I've got to get there, got to walk through this and up to there, which I'm not real keen on doing on my own. I've got my PLB with me, I could call for help. Need for a better look now. Oh, that slate ready to drop. Got a little tyre in there just for fun. Holy crap. So it doesn't go too far in. Well, look at the timbers up there, ready to give way. How far down does it go? Yeah, not too far. There's the bike over there. I'm going to get back down that without falling over. How am I going to get down that? Wow. Just to that entrance there. Well, it's getting far too hot for this. I think I'll end the video here. It's been awesome exploring out here as usual. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.